Now, as you create charts and you have multiple charts to create for, now, if you are representing someone or you want to represent it to the higher people or a higher level of people, how you're going to represent it? Are you going to represent it in the form of a database or anything of that sort? Sorry. No, you are not. Actually, you are going to combine it in the form of a dashboard. Now, what is a dashboard? Dashboard is nothing, but it's a form of an place or a combination of all the charts coming together into one place, which can also be termed as your combination of charts. So that is what we call as a dashboard. What is a dashboard? A collection of several views. In lame terms, it's a collection of several views that comes up, which helps you to compare a variety of data simultaneously. For example, if you have a set of views that you review every day, you can create a dashboard out of that in one place. Rather than you want to navigate to different charts, you can create a combination in one view. Now, how we do that? Like this. For example, like this view, I can have it in one. Rather than moving onto different charts, going to different sheets and creating it, I can simply have a dashboard over here. I can simply have a simple dashboard created over here, based on which I can just simply move my charts. I can work on this rather than going to different sheets and showing it. It's presentable to show it in a form of an interactive chart in any which ways. Here, I can just apply some filters also in the charts. So let's say if I want to show for appliances, so see, my bar chart changed simply to the appliances and show me data for appliances. Similarly, if in the segments I want to show for home offices, I will able to see the data for home offices over here. I'll just uncheck it. I'll show for corporate. I'll able to see for corporate. Now, if I want to see it in the middle of the range, I can see that. In fact, you can apply these to all the other charts as well. So if you go over here and you say to the selected worksheets, so you can really apply the changing of the chart to all of them. Now, if I just wanted to change it to chairs, so we'll see for each of the chart, it will show me the data for the chairs only. In fact, for the stack bar chart also, for the different categories or something, it gets to like consumer charts, you get to different segments over here. So this is how we create an interactive dashboards, and this is what we actually share to the client. So whenever we talk of sharing a dashboard or anything, we actually share an interactive dashboards. We don't share the worksheets. The dashboard is something which is presentable. Why? Because if you see over here, this has an option of presenting mode. Something of this sort is something seen. So it's sort of a PPT where you have everything combined, a filter, a filter to be applied for the data, some changes, some action controls, everything you will have for the data changes. Like in this case, if I want to change it, I want to change it for any of the controls, I want to change it for any of the data sets, I can do it. So this is how an interactive dashboard is created. Then next is our storyline. Storyline is mostly another or a major advance of a dashboard. That's what we called as a storyline. So storyline in Tableau is something which is a sequence of visualization that work together to convey an information. So as we created a dashboard, we can create a storyline, which is a form of a presentation that can be presented, but in a more precise way. So dashboard is also one of a kind of presentation. Similarly, a storyline is also one of a kind of presentation that we have in the dashboard, in the data sets. That is a more granular and more precise way over here. So here, if I go like this, chart by chart or sheet by sheet, I can have the different dashboards combined together. So in storyline, you can only show the dashboards. You can't show any type of sheets or anything. Like you can bring only the dashboards. So here, if I want to add one more, I can just simply drag and drop it over here. And you can say like other charts. Its name is as this, And you're good to go. Now you can just simply click on that and you can see all the charts over here. So it's like a storyline presentation that is shown over here to you. Or you may click on these arrows also to go back. So it's a more precise way of showing it. The much granular level of the data, or the more precise story data, wherein it represents and form as a presentation that you can go from a slide to slide or something of that sort. So worksheets are basically where you create your visuals. Dashboard is a combination of all the worksheets that you form inside a dashboard to present it. And storyline is a more granular level where you put it in a sort of a presentation form and you move from data to data or from dashboard to dashboard in a presentable view so that you can move from one slide to another slide of a way. Okay.